time to install this bad boy. Alright boys, so we're continuing the build here. We got stuck on the transmission flush. We got stuck on the engine mounts because we don't have the little clips to take off the wheel caps. And I mean, you can use like flatheads, but I don't want to scratch the wheels. So we're gonna go ahead and get the downpipe installed. So we got this from Canadian Auto Performance. Okay, it's been here. It's Catless Downpipe. We're gonna go ahead and install this bad boy. Oh, look at that. We got the heat shield around it. Catless, baby. Look at that. Nothing. Ooh. Bro, this is gonna sound good as hell, baby. Yeah. Look at that. And it comes with the bolts that we need and the flanges. So, heck yeah. Alright boys, so we removed the valve cover already, the cover, and the heat shield. I'm gonna show you a small little clip right here, somewhere around here. So next thing we need to do is remove these bolts. So it's one bolt here, little screw, and then 6 bolts down there, and of course the oxygen sensor. So it's pretty easy. Go ahead and do that, and let's get to it. So we're using a T30 to remove this right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ring clamp right here. Loosen it up. Get the bolt out all the way. There's a little washer here, so be careful with it not to lose that. We're gonna need to take this all the way out so we can take this out. Alright. Ooh, that would have been bad. Okay, so that just goes on like that. So get this out, set that to the side. And then we're gonna take these clamps out. I'm gonna just use these right here to pop them out. See where I can. One's down. Boom. Get that out. Then we need the last one here. Bingo, baby! Alright. So now I got that out. To the side for now. Now next is take the oxygen sensor out. Whoops! Then we're getting a new hood later. That worked. Oh, that broke it loose. Is my hood okay? Let's see. So we got that. We broke that loose. Almost broke the hood, but take the oxygen sensor out. Okay. It's out. All right. Got it out. This washer can fall out. No. Okay. So just put that to the side. Okay, we're getting there. Now we need to remove the exhaust clamps down there. Oh yeah, that's the intercooler. That's the intercooler, all right. The intercooler and the charge pipes coming in, boys. Sweet. You can leave it right there, bro. You can leave it right there. Oh yeah. Hey, boss. Oh yeah, we got the big ass intercooler just came in right here, boys. You ready? We do the downpipe and the intercooler today, maybe. Off right there. Now we're working over here. Put some rust penetrant just to make it easier. But we're doing it, boys. We're doing it. Downpipe coming out, baby. All right. Washer number 3 is out. Hell yeah. All right, we got 3 more. All right, left. Bolt number 4, baby. Fuck, we got 2 more. 2 more to go. Oh, it's been a lengthy process, but we're doing it. All right, boys, we had to use a whole bunch of U-joints and extensions, but we got it. Look at the way I'm turning it over here. Look where the bolts are. Oh yeah, got it. All right, this is bolt number 5. Take that with your hand now, yeah? Look at this. Getting it done though. 10-inch with 2 3-inch extensions with 2 universal joints, and that's how I was able to do it. So just so you guys know the tools we're using. For the 6th and final bolt, you take the underbelly out, right? It's 5 or 6 T25 screws and 2 plugs. And then you go from the bottom here, you can fit your hand through here, and you can go ahead and grab the 6th bolt at the very bottom. So it's a little tricky. Gotta fit your hand through this way and grab it here, but you just ease it out. You keep going. Last bolt, you have to go from underneath the car. That's how we did it, but we're doing it. So 6th and final bolt is finally out. Fuck. Yeah, boy. Done with that. Let's go ahead and get his downpipe out. Oh, okay.
Got it.
Okay. Oh.
Get the glue pull on this side. Yup. It's out.
Out. The flange out. It's out. I want this out. Hold on.
It's out.
It's gonna be the same process in reverse. You gotta go from underneath to that bolt. Everything.
Oh yeah, get the mango, boy.
So I gotta take the downpipe out. Some dude took 40 minutes to take it out. Another dude took 30 seconds. How long will it take me? Fucking no.
You're gonna get loose. Right, there you go.
Alright, so move that flange out. Move it out, the flange. Alright. Chill.
Ah, my finger. Alright.
That was out?
Yeah, that was out.
Alright, so that's one. Now we gotta get the other side. Alright, so it came underneath the car. We're gonna go ahead and loosen up these exhaust clamps right here. Just 2 M10s. I mean 4 M10s. Just gonna loosen that up. So I already loosened it up earlier. Shouldn't take too much. It shouldn't be too hard. But some M10s. And then there's 1. There's 2. 3. Alright, so I got these 4 out. Now the exhaust can move out even easier, especially on this side. Just be able to finagle it a little bit. So let's see. Gotta finagle it. Come on, baby. Oh, this is fucking in the way. Oh, never mind, no, it's not. Oh, baby. We got the old downpipe out. Look at that motherfucker. Look at that. Sheesh. This thing is heavy, bro. About $600 right here. Look at that, boys. Look at the fucking difference. Alright, time to install this bad boy. Alright, so we're looking here. Well, if you look at the Catless Downpipe, it's just 3 circles, right, for the bolts. They gave us some bolts here. The thing is, that bolt over there is still hanging out the original exhaust. So what we're gonna do now is get these flanges that we got from B9 Auto and just put them on. So put that on, kind of let it hang there for now. Boom. So we're adding some blue Loctite to this. You know me, I like my Loctite on everything. Just kind of. Oh shit, too much. Kind of put it on the end there, and then on the other side too. Just a little bit on that side. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought to put in. Damn, look at that, bro. Look how beautiful that looks. Whew. Alright, so the exhausts are loosened on the bottom, but we can make this happen. In the hole on this side. You know, just do one at a time, actually, now that I think about it. Get in. Boom. Alright, so we're in. Alright, boys, so it's just everything in reverse order. Just putting the bolts back on and put some Loctite on there already, as you can see. So blue Loctite right there, and over here. So we're just tying it up. Keep at it, keep at it. Look how beautiful that looks though. Sheesh. Okay, so on the downpipe, there's a small metal tab that hooks into the turbo. So just be sure that that metal tab hooks into the turbo. It'll just fit right in and keep it snug before you put the clamp on and tighten everything up. So. All right, so for the U-joint, we did the same thing, but now we're using the Milwaukee electric ratchet. And, is that all the way in?
Yep. That's good.
All right. Yeah, baby. Oh, I don't know how the fuck we gonna get it out.
Hold it, I'll take it out.
Stuck over here though.
All right. I'll hit you.
Yeah. Boom. Yeah, baby. We got the downpipe in. That took way longer than needed, but we got it. Last but not least, is the oxygen sensor. Where the fuck is that? Right here. And then with the oxygen sensors, you always want to twist it a little bit. See it like that? You want to twist it more. You want to twist it left a little bit. And put it in. So that way it's straight when we put it in, right?
That's what she said. Don't you dare.
So. Booyah. Now we just tighten it up. All right, and then we just got a wrench here. Just tighten it up. All right, that's good. And that's it, boys. Downpipe is installed. Stay tuned for fucking train. All right, boys, so we have installed the downpipe successfully. It took us longer than expected, but it's in. Look at that beauty, man. Look at that, it's just beautiful. So stay tuned. You will hear how it sounds here in this video. It's just, we're not doing it just yet because we are doing some upgrades. Next up will be the intercooler. We got the engine mounts, the upper control arms. We're gonna do an engine flush and a transmission flush, and we gotta tune it, put a flex fuel system in it. So we got a couple of things going on with the car. Get a stage 2 plus, but you will hear it in this video, so stay tuned. Do not click off. This thing sounds amazing. I promise you it does.